talk to you about the three main principles that I thought really fit Artemis Fowl. One of the ones that I really heard a lot of times, Steph mentioning this so many times, fake it to make it. Honestly, that really stuck out for me because I could kind of see that happening for Artemis. He's a 12-year-old boy negotiating with an adult fairy, and he looks in the mirror with full confidence, getting ready, fixing himself up, and just goes in there with a strong voice and just real confidence right there. Another one is no mistake can't be fixed. He does realize that he does make a mistake thinking that Holly is gone mad, but no, she hasn't. She really has a plan behind her. And he was actually pretty clever thinking that even though it is a little mistake that can grow large, it can be fixed. And then the third one is that there's always a secret behind every door. And I'm using the same example. Holly, he thinks she's mad, but the secret behind her is that she really has a plan. And then I have my plot diagram right here, talking about how I can relate to Artemis Fowl and Root, one of Artemis's enemy. So I realized that all of us experience so many things. We've seen other people acting like a genius, and all this happening. Then I have my main event right here, where I thought it was just amazing. This is Artemis right here. He's negotiating with Root, and honestly, I thought that he was really portraying the word fake to make it. I have my journal entry next, and it's mainly about how Artemis is talking to his mom, how he felt right after that. He was very scared at the beginning, but then he realized everything was going so smoothly, and he just really wanted to be with his mom. And for my climax, I have the moment where Artemis gets punched by Holly. The saddest thing, he changes from his adult self and goes into a child mode, where he's so confused and he doesn't understand anything that's happening around him. And then I have what I learned, and I learned that from this book that you should not always act independent, and you should just share with other people. For example, when Artemis is all alone, he thinks he can maybe solve any mystery, but really he's mainly solves that because he has Juliet and Butler on his side, and he has his mom to look after, so all these people just build up his confidence. It makes him who he is. And that's the end of my presentation. Does anyone have any questions?